Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1988 to 1995 Hilux and pickup trucks. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the cab from your frame. Remove or protect any fuel lines, brake lines, and wiring harnesses. Our part features a perforated plate you can remove to fit over your existing middle body mount. If you plan to keep your body mount, remove the plate at this time. If not, cut off your body mount. Then, remove the plate on the back of your frame section to fit over your existing center cross member. Step 3. After removing the necessary plates, take your center frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. You can C-clamp your part into place to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your center frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. If you removed your middle body mount, we show you how to reinstall it using the installation videos on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!